So I was in Miss Croydon. Yeah. But I didn't know. I was in Miss Croydon. I was going from North of Heath Pond to Kubla Line. And I did. Kubla Lane. So yeah, there. I went to Coombe Lane. Yeah, but then I was, and God, I had so much money. I had 2, 1, 1, or I think that was it. I don't know what was the money, but I had 2, 1. I don't know. But my goal is to reach the 200 EV. So first, so I just began. I waved to the passengers. Yeah. I didn't change to Cupid Teams Airlines. I changed it to Flies. But yeah. Either way, like
this was driving, but this wasn't using.
Don't even understand.
Fly.
He says Flies.
Yellow underneath.
The yellow's underneath. And it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. I mean, not beautiful. I mean, like, okay.
Flight deck, welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride.
I did it, but also in roleplay, you know when to get the phone that speaks. Yeah, there's a roleplay that a boy says in English to that kingdom, but you can change it to speed, or I don't know, or you can change it to female. And yeah, but mine's male and it's English. Yeah. Yeah.
Food on that flight, but I wasn't taxi.
Flight attendants, please
Nico.
take off. Flight attendants, please
Nico.
take off.
Oh, yeah. Can you please shut up, Sheldon? That's my sister. That's my brother. Taxi.
You can talk in that roleplay. You see that?
Show me that I can choose like any emergency. I chose unconscious pilot.
Yeah, but yeah, Oxford pilots. Playing, but it's mystery. It said, but it's slippery floors. But
Do not find code email. And I actually find him.
I actually find Avery.
I found him. Wow, that thing. Wait, what about cabin crew?
Cabin crew.
Oh, wait.
I think I didn't want to do the. Yeah, I remember doing a plan of like, I think like I'm doing a plan of. Should I do? No, when I buy a nut. So I was doing a plan of. When I buy a new plane, when I buy a new plane, and I buy the other plane, the old one, yeah, not the okay, old no, okay. But yeah, but then I didn't want to. It looks cool.
The white thing. Yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep the white thing.
Yeah, I like it. It looks good. But yeah, all the way. I buy food, drink, all the way to a hot chocolate because I can't buy more. But I didn't buy the hot chocolate. I buy the before the hot chocolate. What before that? I don't know, but it's a drink. Yeah, then I cannot buy the hot chocolate because I didn't have enough money. But yeah, I colored all the planes in.
When I was driving, this was driving, but this wasn't moving.
This was driving, but
Then
this
it
wasn't moving.
started.
But then it started to move, yeah.
It wasn't weird, just
Flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
It's laggy, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin.
it wasn't weird, just
I called that weird, but that wasn't weird. But it hit.
yeah. Also,
I'm in
undecided
Seattle.
it seems that this video is already posted, and I'm really like,
So I washed my hand, then went to bath, then in the hotel, then showered, then toilet, then I turned lights on, but the other one was light on. I fucking already turned it on, so the other one, then I went to sleep. Sleep. Yeah, but I wanted to watch the planes, but there's no planes in the hotel, and yeah. But also, in the planes, can I tell you something? Look.
inside, great.
That's what I'm gonna add in every plane. Now this plane. Yeah, then now this plane. Yeah, I did. Also, I wanted to tell you something. But I didn't know that you can scroll down because there's more, but just 2 only. But on it says free and fly, like I can show you right now. Cabin crew. I can show you. Yeah. If this video doesn't work, you know what? I give up, bro. I won't actually give up, but okay, I just cut the video, but wait, guys, I can buy the. Bro, I buy display. Oh my god. But here, look. Because up here, it says free flies. You scroll down just to, yeah. I did it on Gopher Black, yeah. Gopher Black. And I did that on every plane. Guys, I did that on every plane. But this, I'm gonna color it later. Yeah.